What's popping? What's popping? What's popping, guys? What's popping? What's popping? What's popping? We are live. We are live. Let's see what we're going to be trading today. We are officially live. Guys, please leave a like on the video and share with someone. Let's at least get to 200 people, and then we can get things serious. Please leave a like on the video and share with at least 2 people on your contacts. Share with your WhatsApp story, with your Instagram story, WhatsApp status, wheresoever you can share it. Let's win together. Let's prosper together, guys. Leave a like on the video and share with someone. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Why am I getting hungry so soon? I'm getting hungry so soon this morning. Anyway, that's because I've been on live on TikTok. You know, when you talk, it also gets very draining. So I guess that's why I'm already getting hungry. That's why the live for today is not going to be too long. We're just going to do like 30 minutes to 1 hour. Please leave a like on the video and share with someone. Leave a like on the video and share with someone. Leave a like on the video and share with someone. I'm waiting. Let's get to at least 200 people watching, then we can start doing what we have to do today. Please leave a like on the video and share with someone. Okay. As always, I always like to do a shout out to most of you guys watching. So just let me know when you're watching for example, just say Johnny from maybe Swaziland, or this from Lesotho. Also drop your country flag, all right? So that I can do a shout out. Just this from this country, this person from this country. Also drop your country flag so that I can be able to do a couple of shout outs. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's warm the environment a little bit. Bali from Cameroon. Bali from Cameroon, shout out to you. Let me at least pick one person from each country. So Bali from Cameroon, shout out to you. Okay. Akpeji from Nigeria, shout out to you. Okay, we have a lot of people here always making profit from your free trade on Telegram. Wow, I'm glad to hear this. Always making profit from your free trade on Telegram. All right. Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. I like this. I like this. I'm just making sure my other screen is up and recording. My other screen is up and recording. Oh, let me also share this on TikTok. Let me also share this on, not TikTok, but on YouTube, on Instagram, I mean. Let me share this on Instagram so that my Instagram people should know we are already live. Oh, how do I do this? Guys, we are already live. We are 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 live. You can see people are already putting their testimonies right there. Always making profit from your free trade on Telegram. Guys, join live. Let's trade together. Let's do the analysis together. Let's make money together. Let's go. We are live on YouTube. The link is on my bio, or you can just check the previous post to join live using the link. Guys, we are already live. We are live. We are live. We are. Okay. Kali from Nigeria. Rich from Cameroon. Hope you're doing great today. Kenya in the building. Tabi from Kenya. Then Lesotho in the building. That's Falani, Lesotho in the building. We have Nigeria in the building, Zimbabwe in the building, Australia in the building. Just let me know where you're watching from, your country and the flag, so that I can do a shout out to you. I'm here because of you guys, so let me do a shout out to a few people. Francisca from Dubai. Francisca, I hope you're doing great today. How long have you been trading? Francisca. Godwin Irabo from Nigeria. How long have you been trading? Hope you're having an awesome day. London. Pause NFL from London. Rwanda in the building. South Africa in the building. Let's go. I'm just looking for a country we haven't seen. We've seen Kenya. Okay, we haven't seen Gambia in the building. Let's go. Finland. Wow, Finland in the building. I was actually in Finland last year. We went to Rovaniemi. We also went to Ruka, and then we spent almost about a week in Helsinki. Zambia in the building. USA in the building. Tanzania in the building. Turkey in the building. Canada in the building. Uganda, we've seen Ghana in the building, guys. Okay, we're just going to stop it here. Let's go on our banner and see what we have for today. All right, let's go on our banner and see what we have for today. We're just going to quickly be doing our analysis so that we can see what the market is saying and where we are standing. That's what we're going to be doing. What the market is saying and what we're going to be doing. So let me quickly just let me go on my banner so that I can turn this one off. Let me turn this one off so that we can have a full screen to share our screen. Guys, please share the video with someone. Share the video, leave a like and share it with someone. Share your screen. Entire screen and share. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see my screen. The browser can access, try capturing a different screen. Why can't it capture my screen? Why are all these things just having a problem today? Let's go to prevent, share screen, entire screen, and share. Okay, perfect. At least you guys can see my screen. You guys can see my screen now. So trading view, what do we have for today? What do we have for today? So we have GU MVR open. We also have GU ORB. So we're going to see which one we're going to be looking into, and then what the week have in store. Just looking at this pair, we're just going to start from the first one. All right, we're going to start from the first one, and this is GU MVR. So I have different profiles in trading view for my different strategies, and this one is actually GU MVR. So simple. I have a three-step process of an analyzing. All right, three-step process of analyzing. Simple. I confirm the market direction, and then where we're standing and if we should buy or sell. So let's see. So we are in a downtrend. Everything that happens in gold now, we are all looking to sell. But if we can plot our feet from most recent swing high to most recent swing low, we can already see something like this. We can see this should be our most recent swing high to our most recent swing low. So the market already pushed right up to our 51%, 50% level, and then closed bearish. So this is where we would have taken a sell trade right here. Right, we would have taken a sell trade by the close of this candle, and boom. Stop loss right here. So sell trade would have gone there, stop loss would have gone here, and then we go for a risk to reward of 1:2. So by now, would have already been in the trade by almost about 1 arrow. But yes, that's a trade would have taken. So for now, there's actually nothing we can do on Go. There's actually nothing we can do on Go unless Go does something like this, where we print another lower low, and then the market start pushing against us. In that way, we're going to use this area as our most recent swing high, most recent swing low. We're going to plot our feet from year to year, wait for the market to push back to either our 38, 50, or 61% level, and we'll look to sell again. So we'll just keep looking for opportunity unless we have a cross. We have a cross where we now confirm that the two moving averages, the 10 and the 23 exponential moving averages have crossed, confirming a buy trend. That's when we'll always start looking for buy opportunities. We always trade in the direction of the trend, all right? We always trade in the direction of the trend. So that's what we're looking on Go. That's it. There's nothing else we can do. We're just watching. We're just playing the waiting game. We're playing the waiting game on Go. So I don't think we'll have to go through all these currency pairs. So let me instead get the recommendations from you guys on pairs you guys want us to go through. So if you have any pair you want us to actually go through to analyze, to see what we'll do, or to see what I will do or what I would have done, then give us the recommendation of your pairs. Any pairs you want us to analyze, let me know on the comment section, all right? So meanwhile, I'm waiting for you guys' recommendation. Let me just get my prop firm account ready so that we can be able to take some of the trades together. So let me quickly get my prop firm account ready so that we can take some of these trades live. Let me see. I'm just getting my prop firm account ready so that we can take some of these trades live while you guys see. Guys, please leave a like on the video and share with someone. Leave a like on the video and share with someone. Leave a like on the video and share with someone. Okay, I'm getting my prop firm ready so that we can take some of these trades live. I think I would have purchased this on this. Let me instead purchase it from this window right here. Leave a like on the video and share with someone, guys. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have here. New challenge. So we're just going to work with, we're going to go with test bus. I don't know which of this is active. So we're going to go with a 400K prop firm account. You guys are going to be able to see how one can trade on a 400K prop firm account, right? So I'm getting myself a 400K prop firm account so that we can use that one. Okay, we are done. We just need to log into the account right now. We just need to log into the account. So let me quickly log into the trading account, and then we can start trading. My computer is too worked up, too worked up, but it is what it is. The computer is crying for its life, but it is what it is. Okay, let me get my account login details so that we can log into the Profirm account. We're going to take the trades together, guys. So that's why I'm getting the account ready. Account number should be this one. So let's just quickly log in. Let's go here on log into trade account. Okay, Wisens Global. I'll share my screen very soon. I'm just logging into the Profirm account. I need the password. Okay, when you hear that sound, it means we are logged in. So let me quickly share my screen. Okay, I hope you guys can see my screen. So I'm just going to quickly just adjust this. So I had a lot of back testing I was doing over the weekend. That's why you guys can see my screen looks like this. A lot of back testing I've been doing over the weekend. So I'm just closing all of this so that we can have a clean slide to start. Only back testing. Okay. So you have been registered an account. Okay, you can see that's my account right there. That's my account right there. I think I can even get my credentials directly from Lionheart funding program, evaluation, so you can see all the details directly from there. All the details are right there. So let's see. Let's go on trade history and see the balance we have on our account. So that's the balance, $400,000. All right. So anytime we do our analysis and if there's a trade we want to take, we'll immediately just come here and take the trade. So let's go back here on trading view, and we're gonna pick the suggestions you guys have given. So let me see the suggestions you guys have given for which one we're going to be picking. All right. Let's see which pair are we going to be looking into. Let's see. So many suggestions. Okay. You know what, guys? I can see if I have to combine all these suggestions, it sums down to everything. It sums down to all currency pairs. So let me just do this. Let's just start on the top. We've already analyzed gold. Let's go to Euro USD, all right? So that we can touch almost everything. Remember the strategy we are using now. We are working with GU MVRO. GU MVRO. After we're going to touch base on GU ORB. All right. So this one is simple. Our 3-step process of analysis. We can already confirm the market is on a downtrend right here. All right. But look at what has been happening. The market has been on this range for the longest. So when this happens, sometimes we just wait. We just play the waiting game until the market has broken through some of these ranges. And then we can also confirm the prevailing trend using our moving averages. So there's nothing we can actually do for now. We just play the waiting game. Let's go to USD JPY. USD JPY, voila, I can already see a trade on USD JPY, right? So if we can look through, we are still in an uptrend. We are still in an uptrend on USD JPY. And this would have been our most recent swing low, most recent swing low, most recent swing high. Guys, just a minute. I need to notify my wife that I'm live so that she can be able to check, because she has to check some of these trades as well. So I just need to notify her as well. Okay. Perfect. So she's going to be joining us. All right. So sorry about that. So we can already confirm this is our most recent swing low, our most recent swing high. So if we can bring our fib from here, remember, first thing we do, I've already skipped that step, was to confirm the market direction. We are in an uptrend. We are still in an uptrend on USD JPY. The market crossed right down here. So if we can plot our fib from here to here, we can confirm that the market has pushed back to our 38% level, or the market is pushing back to our 38% level. So guys, let's just play the waiting game a little bit. All right. Within the next few couple of candles, we would have gotten in somewhere here. So let's play the waiting game. If the next candle that closes after this closes bullish, we're going to be entering on a buy. We're going to enter on a buy, stop loss, and we'll go for a risk to reward of 1:2. But for now, let's play the waiting game. Let's just play the waiting game on this particular pair. We only look for A+ setups. We're not herring. We're only looking for A+ setups, guys. We can already confirm clearly there's a cross right here. We have a cross right here on Great Britain Pound USD. So the cross is already confirmed. So this one we're going to be buying on this particular trade. This is the cross right here. It's already confirmed. All right. So if you want to be too conservative, you can wait for the confirmation before buying, but we can confirm a cross already here. So if we are buying here, our stop loss is going to go somewhere here, and we go for a risk to reward of 1:2. So easily we have to calculate the lot size. Remember, we are buying here, and our stop loss is going to go below this candle somewhere here. We're going to risk, let's just risk 30 pips on this trade, right? Let's risk 30 pips on this trade so that we don't suffocate the trade. And we're going to go for a risk to reward of 1:2. That is it. Boom. That's it. So 30 pips, we already know. For you to calculate the lot size you're going to use, first you need to know the currency pair. There are steps you need to follow, right? So where's my book again? Remember, we need to know the lot size we'll use on this trade so that we can only risk a particular percentage of our account. So in our case, there are 4 things you need to know. Guys, you need to take down notes on these things. You need to take down notes. So for you to know the exact lot size you need to use so that you can only risk a particular percentage of your account, there are 4 things you need to know. So number 1, you need to know the asset. So in our case, the asset is Great Britain Pound USD, Great Britain Pound USD, right? you need to know the account size. The account size. So in our case, we are trading with a 400K pro-forma account. So our account size is 400K. In your case, if it's 10K, if it's 100K, you put. We need to know, number 3, percentage risk per trade. Percentage risk per trade. In our case, we want to only risk 1% of our trade. All right. Number 4, we need to know the risk in, or the stop loss in pips. Stop loss in pips. Stop loss in pips. All right. So in our case, what's our stop loss in pips? 30 pips. So what we need to know now is the lot size. All right. You can see that's how I put it. That's how I program it there. And anytime I'm trading, I just fill in those gaps and I'll be able to already know what I need. So let's go and calculate the lot size. Quickly calculate the lot size we need for this particular trade. So to calculate it is very easy. Just go to Lionheart funding program. Let's go here to Lionheart funding program to easily calculate our lot size. You go to Lionheart funding program under tools, click on tools, and you're going to see trading calculators. So I'm just waiting for the page to load. And then we'll go to tools, click on trading calculators. That's where we're going to be calculating our lot size. I'm sharing a lot on my computer. That's why it's a little bit freezing. Guys, please leave a like on the video and share with someone. At least we have a reasonable amount of people watching today. So click on position size in pips. Position size in pips. Here we're just going to search the currency pair Euro, Great Britain Pound USD. All right. Make sure you push the slash. Put the slash symbol. Put this symbol USD so that it can come out. Great Britain Pound USD is right there. Account size is 400K. That's 400K. We're going to be risking 1% of our account. Remember, you need to be fast because the market is already changing. So we're going to be risking 30 pips. Make sure you come on calculator and click on position size in pips. Position size in pips. We'll click on calculate. And voila, you can see amount at the risk $4,000. That's 1% of what? 1% of our account, 1% of $400,000. And sizing is 13.3. So the lot size we're going to be using on this trade is 13.3. So we'll quickly just go to what? We quickly just go to our MetaTrader 5. Great Britain Pound USD should be somewhere. If it's not there, you can always add it. Great Britain Pound USD. This is a new profile I just opened. That's why the currency pairs are not yet set. So we go to chart window. We open it. We just need to open the chart window. Chart window. Okay. And then we quickly just put this on full screen. No need. We don't even have to change this template. We just use the template the way it is, right? Let's just go here. And remember, I've already done our analysis on trading view. The only thing we are just putting here is our lot size, which is 13.3. And was it a buy or a sell? It was a buy. Click on buy. As easy as that. Activate your one-click trading. Then you click again on buy. That's it. That's a trade right down there. You guys can be able to see to trade with bigger lot sizes. Of course, I have a 400K from account, so I can afford to trade with bigger lot sizes. Then we need quickly go to modify because we need to put our stop loss and our take profit. We go to modify. We start with stop loss. So our stop loss, remember, is 30 pips, which is the same as 300 points. All right, 300 points. And then our take profit is a risk to reward of 1:2. So it's going to obviously be 60 points. Sorry. So we click on take profit and it's going to be 60, which is the same as 600 points. We click on modify. Boom. We have our stop loss in place. We have our take profit in place. You walk away from your computer. You are done with that particular pair. We go to the next pair on our list. It's as easy as that. Look, we are already pushing up. We go to the next one. So we already have 1% of our account at risk. 1% of our account at risk. I can already see something again here. We had a cross somewhere. A confirmation of the cross was here on this trade. So this was our cross somewhere here. We have entered here, but this pushback is even giving us more momentum to enter. So we're going to be entering again on this trade on Great Britain Pound AUD. All right, because we are still in an uptrend. So you can either wait for this candle to close, or if you are someone who is not too consecutive, and then you can get in immediately. So let's calculate for Great Britain Pound AUD and see what we can do. Let's see this one. Let's see this. Let's see this. Let's see this. Since it's in an uptrend, let's keep waiting, guys. Let's play the waiting game a little bit. Let's play the waiting game a little bit to wait for the market to push against us a little bit, because since this is an uptrend, this will now act as our most significant swing low, most significant swing high. If we can drop our fib, so long as the market start pushing against us, if we can drop our fib from here to here, we can confirm the market hasn't even pushed down to our 38% level. So let's play the waiting game. If we can push right down to our 3 significant levels and then close as bullish, that's when we're going to be buying. So let's play the waiting game on that one. We're going to put the alert. We're going to put this sign red so that it can tell us that we're going to be coming back to this pair. Great Britain Pound JPY, I can already see what we would have done here. This is what we would have done. Our most significant swing low would have been here, most significant swing high here. If we would have plotted our fib, this one would be our 50% fib level. If you guys just want to confirm, we can plot for you guys to see. After years of experience, I can already know what level. You can see that's the 50% level. So by the close of this candle right here, we would have been entering on a buy right there. Buy, stop loss goes there, and we'll go for a risk to reward of 1:2. Boom. So we would have been going to our take profit right now. So for now, there's actually nothing we can do. The market is already getting overbought. So for now, what we can do is just to wait to see if the market is going to continue going up. And then when we start seeing it pushing against us, this one is going to act as what? This one will act as our most recent swing low. And then this one up here will act as our most recent swing high. And then we can plot our fib, wait for a retracement, and then boom, continue in the up direction. Great Britain Pound card was popping. Okay, the same setup we saw on Great Britain Pound USD. But what I used to do is, if I see the same pairs that have the same currency pair sometimes, and I see similar setups, I avoid taking same trade. I avoid taking both trades, so that if one wants to go against me, I won't just blow my account. Because you can see Great Britain Pound USD and Great Britain Pound card, those are positively correlated pairs. All right, they are positively correlated pairs. So if I'm taking this same trade, even though there's a cross which is confirming a buy, if I'm taking this trade and this market wants to go against me, trust me, Great Britain Pound USD is also going to go against me. So I'll be losing two trades at the same time. So I don't want that to happen. There are many pairs. So I just let this one go and I'll just watch it play out. All right. Now, since it's in an uptrend, remember this one now will act as our most recent swing low, most recent swing high. So the market will push against us. If we can push to our 3 significant levels, we'll look to buy at that particular point in time. So at this particular one, we're just going to play a waiting game. Great Britain Pound CHF already oversold. The same thing we just explained. So since this is already an uptrend, this will act as our most recent swing low, most recent swing high. If this market can push right down, if this can push right down to our significant levels, which if you want to confirm with your fib, just plot your fib, which is going to be our 38, 50 or 61% level, and then close bullish, and then we're going to look to buy. So this one, we're just going to play the waiting game and wait to see if the market is going to push down or if the higher highs is going to be broken, and then we'll just continue doing the same thing. Great Britain Pound NZD, what's popping on Great Britain? Similar setup on Great Britain Pound NZD. But you can see clearly on Great Britain Pound NZD, uptrend was confirmed right there. Most significant swing low is right there. Most significant swing high is right there. We can plot our fib from here to here, and then simple, we are just waiting for the market to push down to our 38.50 or 61% level and then close bullish. So we're waiting for something like this, the market to come to any of this level, either this one, and then close bullish. You then see a bullish candle closing, then we're going to look to buy, stop loss, and then we expect the market to continue in the buy direction. We are only trading in the direction of the trend. Let's see. Okay, we're seeing something here on what? Something here on Euro JPY. So on Euro JPY, this is what is actually happening as we speak. So let's see here. So this one acted as what? This one here acted as our most significant swing low, and this one acted as our most significant swing high, right? If we plotted our fib from here to here, you can confirm by the close of this candle right here, we're supposed to enter right here. So this one would have been a loss. So long as you are already out of the trade, now we're just waiting to see what it's still about. It's still a buy trend. It's still a very buy trend. But for now, we are just waiting. If we have another candle, if the next candle that's closing after this close as a bullish candle, since we are still in that trend, we are still in that zone, 61.50 or 38% level. If the next candle closes bullish, if the next candle closes bullish, we're going to be looking to buy because we still expect the market to go up. Unless what? Unless we have a cross, which as we are explaining, we've just confirmed a cross. All right. I actually like going live at this point in time because the 12 o'clock candle just confirmed a cross in a sell direction. So for now, we are not more looking for buy opportunities. We are looking for sell opportunities. And remember, we only trade in the direction of the trend. So now we're going to be taking a sell trade. If I can zoom out, you're going to confirm we have a cross. We have a cross. You don't even need to go far to confirm. Let me zoom out for you guys to confirm. All right. We have a cross. That's a cross right there. The fast moving average has crossed over the slow moving average from above. So we're going to be selling this market at this point in time. It's as easy as that. All right. We're going to be selling this market. We're going to be selling this market. So we're going to sell somewhere here. We're just executing our system without bias. Don't start thinking, oh, no. We're going to sell somewhere there. We're going to put our stop loss. Let's just reach 30 pips. We're going to put our stop loss on 30 pips or 35 pips since I've seen the downtrend is too strong. We're going to go for 35 pips and then go for a risk to reward of 1:2. That's it. I think 30 pips is just fine. 30 pips and we go for a risk to reward of 1:2. That's it. So let's quickly calculate. Remember, the 4 steps. What are our 4 steps before we can calculate our lot size? We need the asset, which in our case is Euro JPY. We need the account size. In our case, is 400K. Percentage risk per trade is 1%, and the stop loss is 30 pips. So let's quickly go and calculate the lot size we're going to use on that particular trade. So asset here is USD, Euro JPY, EUR/JPY. So that is it. That is it. And then stop loss is 30 pips. Every other thing remains the same. We click on calculate. The lot size we're going to be using here is 19.0, just 19 lot size. So we quickly go here and we add our asset, which is our asset here is Euro JPY. Our computer is working on a lot. Euro JPY. Okay, that's Euro JPY right there. So just click on enter, and then we're going to open it as a chart window. Okay, open as a chart window. That's it. And then we're going to quickly just go here to put our lot size. Remember, our lot size was 19. 19 lot size. And was it a buy or a sell? It was a sell. So we click on sell, and that is it. That is it. You can see our first trade, we are down by $1,500. But remember, we are risking 1% of this account. 1% of $400,000 is $4,000. So the amount shouldn't intimidate you. All right, we still have a long way to go. We still have a long way to go. So we quickly modify. We put our stop loss and our take profit. Stop loss here is what? Stop loss is 30 pips, which is the same as 300 points. And take profit is 60 pips, which is the same as 600 points. Click on OK, and boom, we have our stop loss and our take profit in place. Let's go to the next one on our list, which is Euro Great Britain Pound. Euro Great Britain Pound, we've confirmed a mighty cross right here. So we're supposed to enter somewhere here. We are already getting late. So what we have to do now is this area here serves as our most significant swing low, most significant swing high. So the market is now pushing against us, but we don't know how far it's going to push against us before the downtrend is going to resume. So that's why we need to plot our fib from most recent swing low to most recent swing high, and then wait for the market to get to any of these levels, 38, 50, or 61, and then close as bullish, and then we'll look to sell. So for now, we just need to keep waiting because we expect the market to push right up here, 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 and then close as a bullish, as a bearish candle, and then we'll look to sell. Euro AUD, Euro AUD, Euro AUD. We can confirm a cross right here, but most of these crosses, you can see the market has been forming a range. Look at this range right here. Look at this range right here. So we can't sell because of this cross. We can't sell because you might just see something where a cross like this, then the next minute you see another cross like this. So because of this range right here, we can't actually take this particular sell. So we just have to wait until the range is broken or until it's broken up there. It's as easy as that. It's as easy as that. AUD CHF. Perfect. Can confirm a buy. We're going to be taking a buy on AUD CHF. But again, you need to put it at the back of your mind that we've had this range right here for the longest. So this range can still be respecting, but you ask yourself, what is the market direction? We confirm a buy. This one, this candle right here, confirm a buy trend for us. So we're going to be buying right there. It's easy as that. We're going to go long on AUD CHF right there. Stop loss is going to go below this candle. So we're going to be risking 10 pips or 11 pips on this one, and we're going to go for 22 pips. The risk to reward of 1:2. All right. So let's write our asset is AUD CHF. Then everything, then the stop loss is 11 pips. All right. Stop loss is 11 pips. So let's quickly go and calculate the lot size we're going to use. AUD CHF. Remember to put the slash sign. If not, you wouldn't get it correctly. AUD CHF, and then stop loss here is 11 pips. We click on calculate. Okay, 30 pips. So the lot size we're going to be using here is 30 pips. Don't be intimidated again because this is a $400,000 pro firm account. So we quickly go here and we put AUD CHF. We don't have AUD CHF already here, so we're just going to quickly add AUD CHF. That's it. And then we're going to go to chart window. Okay, that's our chart window. And then we're going to go here to put our lot size. Lot size is 30 lot size. First time you guys have seen scary lot size, right? Yeah, of course, this is a bigger account size. We're going to click on buy. Good. And then we're going to quickly modify it. Let's quickly go to modify. This one, since we spread, to account for the spread, we're going to go for 12 pips stop loss or 120 points and 24 pips or 24 pips take profit or 240 points. Boom. Good. So our position is fixed. Let's quickly go on the next one. Before we go to the next one, we're going to just take a 5-minute break just to take some water and also see if we have any questions on the comment section. So let's go. Let's take a quick 5-minute break, and then we're going to come back to continue. So if you have any questions so far, make sure you drop it on the comment section. Meanwhile, I'm also going to just quickly get my water. Yes. So we're just having a quick break before we continue. Just a quick break. Any question you have, guys, you can drop it on the comment section. What pair are we trading? We are trading a couple of pairs, guys. Just follow the live session so that you can follow up what we are doing. In which time frame are you executing the trade? 1 hour time frame. Did not get Great Britain pound figures on stop loss and take profit. I think we've already passed that one. I think we were risking stop loss was 30 pips. 30 pips. 30 pips. 30 pips, 30 pips. Good job, boss. Since when have you started live trading? That I'm not aware. And what are your live trading or analysis days? On Mondays, I come live on Mondays, on the AMs on Monday. Hopefully by 10 a.m. between 10 to 12, between 10 a.m. to 12 noon on Mondays. I'm always live on YouTube. We've even started a challenge here where we bought a Profam account, traded it live past phase 1, traded it live past phase 2, traded even on the funded account and gotten a payout. Everything, all the videos were recorded on live. Yeah, just go to my live series on YouTube here. You're going to see all the videos. They are right there. All the videos. Daily time frame or 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame. Please look at US30. We're going to get to that. My boss, 1 hour time frame. Please, what's the time frame to trade? I'm in Oregon, US. Unfortunately, can't sign for Lionheart funding program. Yes, very soon we're going to have trade locker. We're going to have trade locker in Lionheart funding program so that our USA traders can be able to sign up for Lionheart funding program. Can you please show how to stacking strategy and let's see. I'm not seeing anything. Can you guys see my screen? Someone says I'm not seeing anything. I hope you guys can see my screen. All right. I hope you guys can see. Please, XAUUSD. We've already analyzed XAUUSD. We've already analyzed XAUUSD. Just make sure you watch my live on time. And even if you miss XAUUSD, the live is recorded. So after you can just rewatch the live and you're going to be able to see everything. I'm getting hungry very fast today, guys. I'm getting hungry very, very fast. That's because I've been talking since morning. I had a live session on TikTok. It's after TikTok that we came directly here. So that's already making me hungry. So I know my wife is watching this. So obviously, babe, start looking for something to eat because I'm already getting hungry. But anyway, it is what it is, guys. That's the sacrifice we make to bring you guys the content we bring on a daily basis. Seeing people win, seeing people make money with me is what brings me the highest pleasure. Okay, so you see, my wife is already asking me what I'm gonna eat. So let me just tap. After the live session. Okay, let's go. Excuse me. So good morning, mentor. I love your good work. Keep up the good work. Thank you so much. Everyone can see my screen, guys. Everyone can see my screen. Please, which indicator are you using? It's a free indicator on TradingView. Which indicator for what? You need to specify because I'm doing a lot of things. So if we are talking about the GU MVR strategy, I'm using just moving averages plus the Fibonacci. Which exponential moving average are you using? So we are using 10 and 20 exponential, 10 and 23 exponential moving averages. All right. The 10 is the fast exponential moving average, and the 23 is the slow exponential moving average. The full detail about the strategies on this channel. Please go and watch the full detail, the full strategy, almost about an hour, so that you can understand everything. When I come on live, I assume you've already watched the video. So how should I detect the most recent swings? The most recent swings by just seeing your chart. By just seeing, you know, the market. Let me show you guys. Now, that's a big question people can ask. How can I determine my swings in the market? Swing lows and swing highs. So that's a confusion many people have. So I'm going to show you guys on a typical example, right? Let's just go here on the free space. Free space right here. Okay, we're going to minimize this. Like I said, don't be intimidated by your account equity because we are trading with a bigger account size. You can even see minus $10,000. It shouldn't move you because minus $10,000 is not even up to 0.2% or 0.5% of your account. We are trading with $400,000. Okay. Now, let's say we are in a downtrend. If we are in a downtrend in the market, you obviously see something like this, right? This is how you can easily plot your most recent swing lows and most recent swing highs, all right? If we're in a downtrend, you see something like this, where you have lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower heights, lower lows, lower heights, lower lows, and then you see another lower height starts forming, right? If we're in an uptrend, you see something like this. You see something like this, where you have higher lows, higher heights, higher lows, higher heights, higher lows, and then you wait for another higher heights to open. So that's why we have a three-step process in GU MVRO. The first thing is to determine the market direction. So if we're in a downtrend, obviously you see something like this, where the fast-moving average will cross over the slow-moving average from above. So this cross will confirm a downtrend, all right? And the opposite will happen here, where you see something like this, where the fast-moving average will cross over the slow-moving average from below. So you now see something like this. So this is a confirmation of a downtrend, confirmation of an uptrend. Those two moving averages are going to confirm those market direction. Very, very important. Now, once we've already confirmed our market direction, the next thing is to see what price action is doing, right? So let's just assume we are already, the market price, the price is already somewhere here, and we're looking for where to enter in the trade, right? So you now look for your most recent swing low. Where is the most recent swing low in the market? It's going to be this area. So you look for your most recent swing low, and by that time, you just wait for the market to start retracing a bit. Once the market start retracing, that area the market start retracing is going to form your most recent swing high. So you plot your Fibonacci from where? You instead plot your Fib from here to here, from your most recent swing low to your most recent swing high, and you wait for the market to push to your 38%, 50 or 61% level, and then close as a bearish. If it's a bearish market, you wait for the market to push to any of these levels and then close as a bearish. So you enter on a sell here and stop loss here, take profit. Can you see the same thing you are seeing here? So let's just assume we were somewhere here. We're somewhere here, right? We're somewhere here and we're doubting where to enter in the market. First thing is we're going to confirm the market direction. It's a sell. And then we're going to confirm our most recent swing low, most recent swing high. So we're going to bring in our Fib from here to here. And if I can extrapolate this, you can see the market move right up to our 38% level and then close bearish. So we're going to enter here on a sell. Stop loss, we just go there. We'll go for a risk to reward of 1:2. Boom. We already hit our take profit. The same thing happens here. We came here, plot again, enter on a sell, go for take. You see, as easy as that. All right, the same thing will happen in an uptrend. If you are already somewhere, if the market start retracing against you, you've already confirmed the market direction. The market start retracing against you. You plot from most recent swing low, most recent swing high. So your Fib is instead going to run from here to here. And boom, if I extrapolate, you can see the market went right up to 50% level. You enter on a buy here, stop loss, and boom, the same thing you see. So that's how you can plot your most recent swing lows and swing highs in the market. Let's take a live chart to show you guys a typical example, right? This one, we're just going to ignore this one because the market is choppy. You can see what's happening right here. So we can't actually analyze anything as of now. So when you already see something like this, where the market is choppy like this, you just play the waiting game. So we're going to go to another pair. That's why we have many pairs. Good. This one, let's quickly delete everything on the screen. Let's delete everything on the screen. And then we're going to zoom in a little bit just so we can see. We are still in an uptrend. We are still in an uptrend on this particular one. We haven't gotten a cross yet. So this trade, we were supposed to enter on a buy right here. So the market is already getting 2 overbought, right? We're supposed to enter on a buy here, stop loss here, and go for a risk to reward of 1:2. By now, we have already hit our take profit. Remember, where is our most recent swing low and our most recent swing high? right here. Since this is an uptrend, this will be our most recent swing low, most recent swing high. And since this one wasn't broken, this one would then act again as our most recent swing low and most recent swing high. All right. So that's why I say this one we just have to wait, because you can see now if I have to extrapolate this, the market is more like forming what we call a triangular pattern. So since we have many currency pairs in the market, once we already see that happening, we just have to wait for a breakout and a retest, or a breakout and a confirmation of a clear trend. Let's go to another one where we can actually see this clearly. Here, first thing is to confirm the market direction. We are on what? We are on a sell direction right here. So I can already see a trade. We already had a sell direction right here. Most recent swing low, most recent swing high. So if we can plot our fib, we can see very, very clearly that the market has already even crossed our 61% level. The market has already crossed our 61% level. So if we can have the next candle closing as a bearish candle, as a red candle, we're going to enter on a sell. Stop loss will go somewhere there, and we'll go for a risk to reward of 1:2. So I can already see this a very potential nice trade. So I'm just going to put a red sign on it so that we can come back after to check. So I'm just going to mark that one. Great Britain Pound AUD, we had this one again. So we are still waiting for the market to push down. And if this candle closes as a bullish candle, we're going to be taking a buy, because the market has already pushed down to our 38% level. So if it closes as a bullish candle, we're going to be taking a buy. So that's why I put a mark on this particular one. CAD JPY. Let's see CAD JPY. We are still in an uptrend. Very, very clear. We had a cross right down here, right here. And if we can confirm our market structure, let's quickly confirm our market structure. We can already see our most recent swing low was here. Because remember, what did I explain? You can see the market doing exactly what I explained. Doing this, and then this, and this, all right? So this becomes your higher lows, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher heights. It's as easy as that. So our most recent swing low is going to be here. Most recent swing high is going to be here. And since we are seeing the market forming a triangular pattern, this one again, we just have to wait for the price action to play out. You don't hurry to take setups. Let's go for A+ setups. Let's wait for the market to play out, because if you are actually trading price patterns, then you'll be buying somewhere here. You'll be buying somewhere here. You'll be buying somewhere here. Stop loss go somewhere here, and you go for a risk to reward of 1:2. So I'm actually seeing this as a potential trade, but at the same time, we are almost crossing. Our moving average is almost crossing here. So this one, we're just going to play the waiting game. Okay, card. This one is AUD card. AUD card, we are almost getting a cross. We are almost getting a cross. That's it. Not yet confirmed. If this candle closes as a bullish candle, we're going to confirm a cross on AUD card. So for now, we're just going to play the waiting game again on AUD card. NZD USD. NZD USD, the same thing we just explained. Now this is a downtrend. Now this is typical market session with just market structure, where you have your lower lows, lower heights, lower lows, lower heights, lower lows, lower heights, and then the market start doing what? Start pushing against us. So where is our most recent swing low? This one. Where is our most recent swing high? This one. So if we can plot our fib from here to here, we can confirm the market has already pushed to our 61 or 50% level, and we are just waiting for it to close bearish. So for now, we're not going to wait for this particular one. We're going to actually take this trade, because I'm very, very positive on this one. I like the way the market is going. So we're going to take on this sell. But if you want to be very, very conservative, you can wait for the next candle that closes bearish for you to take the bearish trade. But we're going to be selling this one. So let's take down our start. Currency pair is NZD USD. Let's put our position. We're going to be selling right here. Stop loss is going to go, let's risk about 15. Let's risk about 12 pips and go for 24 pips. All right, risk to reward of 1:2. Oh, not that one. Not that one. Let's go here. Remember, we are selling. So we go on a short position. We're going to risk just about 12 pips, and we're going to go for a risk to reward of 1:2. That's it. That's it. So stop loss is, our stop loss here is 12 pips. We're going to be risking 1% of our account, and our account balance is 400,000. So let's quickly go and calculate. The currency pair is NZD USD. That is it. We're going to be risking 12 pips, and then we calculate. So 33.3 lot size. Don't be scared. This is a $400,000 profit account. That's why you can see amount at risk here is $4,000. So we are risking $4,000. We're doing the big people's game, right? We're trading with $400,000. So quickly go here and we put NZD USD. NZD USD. I'm just waiting for the chart to load. NZD USD. NZD USD. Okay, that's it. NZD USD. Let's go to chart window. And then we're just waiting for the chart to open fully. Okay. Our lot size was 33 pips. Remember? 33 pips. 33 lot size, I mean. 33. And then we're going to click. Was it? Okay, was it say? Waiting for that sound. Perfect. That's it. NZD USD is right there. So let's quickly modify. Our stop loss is 11 pips. It's 12 pips, sorry. 12 pips, which is 120 points. And we're going to be going for 24 risk to reward of 1:2, which is 24 pips or 240 points. Boom. That is it. Let's go to the next one. We've taken a total of 4 positions. We are just down by minus 4,000, by minus 1% of our account. So there's nothing to worry. Remember, we are trading with a $400,000 profit account. So even if you see minus $10,000, the limit we have to lose for today before we can violate the account is 5% of the account, which is minus $20,000. So we still have a bigger playing ground to play. So that is it, guys. Let's take another short break while we take a sip of water. And then if you have any questions, you can also drop it on the comment section. Question and answer session. I hope you guys are getting something. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Are you guys learning? Are you guys learning something new? Are you guys learning? Are you guys making money? Or it's a long story? Are you guys making money? Or in short, are you guys learning? Are you guys learning? Are you guys learning? Question and answer session. Okay, I'm learning. I'm failing to check out this one. I'm failing to check out for Lionheart funding account. Please help. What problem are you having? Please specify so that you can be helped. I can't help you because I don't know what problem you're having. Yes, boss. Euro NZD. We are learning. So I'm actually trading with a $400,000 profit account. Yes, in Lionheart funding program, you can purchase $400,000 in profit capital. You can purchase $400,000 at once. I don't know that. So let's see. I'm learning something crucial, boss. I'm glad to hear that. I'm glad to hear that. I'm glad. Boss, explain the news trading on LFP Alpha Challenge, please. Alpha Challenge is not news trading is not allowed on the Alpha Challenge in LFP. You want to trade news, then you have to select the route challenge. It's as simple as that. All right. News trading is not allowed on the Alpha Challenge. If you want to trade news, then select the challenge that allows news trading. 33 lot massive. You don't. This one says 33 lot massive. You don't usually try that on gold. Everything because you can see minus 10 instantly. Yes, we are trading depending on the currency. It depends on the currency pair you are trading, guys. Depends on the currency pair you are trading. So on the one we are trading, 33 lot is we are risking 1%. We are only risking 4%. We are only risking $4,000 of our account. Meaning 33 lot, different currency pairs or different assets have different PEEP values. That's something you guys need to understand. Different assets have different PEEP values. All right, different assets have different PEEP values. So you need to always understand that. You need to always understand that. Okay, let's see. I'm learning a lot. Which prop firm? Lionheart funding program. That's my recommended prop firm. All right. Boss, please help with capital. Link to get funded is on the video description, all right? Links to get funded is on the video description. What is the best Forex trading fund broker? You can check all my recommended brokers and recommended pro firms. Links on the video description. When are you always live? I would like to participate. Monday mornings, obvious, between 10 a.m. and 12 noon. How is 400 funding on LFP? Very, very sweet, very, very nice. You just need to select $400,000 when you are purchasing your pro firm accounts, and you'll be able to trade with $400,000 just as I'm doing. What's the name of the pro firm? Lionheart funding program. Lionheart funding program. Lionheart funding program. The same one we are using to calculate our lot size. So the same pro firm is going to provide you guys with free tools. You can use. So that's the same pro firm. You can also use it to get funded. Just click on challenges and you select your account size. Please, NZD, what is the risk in pips? Can't go back, can't remember. You can just rewind the video. Help with capital. Like I said, the link to get funded is on the video description. You can always go on that link and you'll be able to purchase your account or purchase yourself an account size. Okay, what time frame do you use to analyze? I'm using, for depending on the strategy, for GUMVRO, we are using the 1 hour time frame, right? So this person, I just blown my account this morning, though I'm a beginner and I'm determined not to be compromised until I make I can do with your videos as online program. Yes, I'm glad you know that you can learn a lot from my videos. Okay. I really like you, boss. I'm with your pages for a long time, up to starting with your pro firm, and you even blessed me with two, 3 or 5K account, one before launch, one after launch, and one from partnership. Perfect. I'm glad to hear this. I'm glad you're learning a lot from my services. You're learning a lot from my free materials. Yes, so I'm learning. Okay. Let's go back to our chart, take 1 or 2 trades, and then we're going to call it a day. Let's get back to the chart. Let's get back to our chart. This is our equity as we stand. That's our current equity, still very nice, below 1% even. Equity below 1%. So let's go back to trading view and see where where we're standing. Nasdaq is also known as the US 100. All right. So let's see. Nasdaq, there's actually nothing we can do. This is a typical example of what I was just explaining, right? Typical example where you have lower lows, you have higher lows, higher heights, higher lows, higher heights, higher lows, and then the market is going down to form the next higher low. So when were you supposed to enter in this trade? As soon as the market started retracing, this would have been your most recent swing low, most recent swing high. This area here would have been around the 50% level. Let me plot for you guys to confirm. If I can plot from year to year, boom, 50% level. By the close of this candle right here, you have entered on a buy here, stop loss right here, go for a risk to reward of 1:2. Boom, by now, you would have already been out of the trade. So the only thing we are waiting on is for the market to go and form another, is for the market to push up, form another higher heights, and then start pushing back. This area is going to form a safe as our most recent swing low, most recent swing high, and wait for the market to push back to our key levels, and boom, we look for a continuation. Remember, we are only doing that. Why? Because we have already confirmed that this market is on a buy trend. This market is on a buy trend. We are only looking for buy opportunities. Good. Key opportunity right here, which we're going to be taking on US 30. All right, US 30. We're going to just wait for, since we've already confirmed a cross right here, this area is going to serve as our most recent swing low, most recent swing high. So if the next candle closes bullish, we're going to be looking to buy. So next candle, we can plot here to here. The market already pushed back to our 50% level. So if the next candle closes bullish, we're going to be looking to buy. So I'm going to put a marker on it so that we can come back to check. Euro NZD. What's popping? Key opportunity. We're going to be buying Euro NZD. I don't even need to think and go far. Clear buy opportunity. Clear buy opportunity on Euro NZD. Clear buy opportunity on Euro NZD. Why am I seeing a buy opportunity? Market already crossed. We're in an uptrend. This area here serves as what? Our most recent swing low, This one serves as our most recent swing high. If we plot our fib from here to here, we can already confirm the market has pushed right down to a 61% level and is about to close bullish. That's it, about to close bullish. So we're not going to wait for this candle to close, guys. We're going to be entering on this particular trade straight away. Stop loss, we're going to be risking 30 pips on this one, and we're going to go for a risk to reward of 1:2. That's it, 1:2. So what's the currency pair again? Euro NZD. Euro NZD. Stop loss is 30 pips. 30 pips. Account size is $400,000, and we are risking 1%. So let's quickly calculate the lot size. Euro / NZD. That's it. Stop loss is 30 pips. The account size is 400,000 and we are risking 1% of our trade. Click on calculate. All right. So the lot size we're going to be using here is 22.3. We quickly go here, Euro NZD. Euro NZD, Euro NZD. Euro NZD. That's it. That's our Euro NZD. We quickly go and then chart window. Our advice will take a maximum of 5 trades on this account. I'm going to explain why I'm saying we take a maximum of 5 trades at a time. I'm going to explain that very soon. What's our stop loss again? 22.3. 22.3. Okay, so was it a sell or a buy? Was a buy. Good. Euro NZD, let's quickly modify. We're going to put our stop loss, which is 30 pips. Stop loss is 30 pips, which is the same as 300 points. Take profit is 60 pips, which is the same as 600 points. Boom, that's it. We're done. Let's go to the, let's go back. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Let me explain why I'm saying you should take a maximum of 5 trades at a time on your funded account if you are risking 1% per trade. Now, to trade with peace of mind, to trade with the psychology of a winning Forex trader, you need to already predefine your risks by the time you are getting into any trade. I have predefined my risks and I'm only risking 1% of my account per trade. Now, anytime I place a trade, I already told myself that, okay, if this trade doesn't go my way, I'm very comfortable to let 1% go. And if it goes my way, I'm going to be making 2% on my account. So I want to accept the risks. If you can't accept the risks, if you feel it very difficult to swallow the risks, when it comes to trading, take a step back. You shouldn't be trading until you are able to predefine your risks and accept the risks, all right? Now, we just started the day. We just started this fresh $400,000 account with Lionheart funding program, and we're risking 1% of our account per trade. The daily drawdown is 5%. So I want to stop here in the sense that if all these 5 trades don't go my way, I don't want to blow the account. If all these 5 trades don't go my way, I'm going to risk roughly about 4.9% of my account. So I don't want to breach my daily drawdown. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm already telling myself that if all these 5 if all these 5 trades don't go my way, I'm going to lose this percentage on my account. Doesn't make sense. I'm already telling myself if all these 5 trades don't go my way, or I mean, I already know as a profitable Forex trader, there can be days where I can have 5 losers on the row. I can have 10 winners on a row. But at the end of the day, because I have an edge with my strategy, I'm still going to be making money. All right. So that's why I'm already telling myself, if all these 5 trades don't go my way, I don't want to blow my account for that day. So I stop here. We're going to stop here 5 trades on this particular account unless we have a buffer. So what is a buffer? A buffer is a situation where we have one of the trades hits our take profit. So if we have one of the trades hits our take profit, now we've just made 2% of our account. We can add 2 more trades. As easy as that. If we have 2 trades hits our take profit, it means now we are having 4% buffer on our account. We can add 4 more trades. It's as easy as that. At that point in time, you are now staying at the level where there's never going to be a point where you breach your daily drawdown. I don't know if I'm making sense. All right, so that is it. That is it. Our account, we are still below 1%. We are still below -1%. We've already taken 5 trades. We've already reached 5% of our account. If we have to win even just 2 trades out of these 5 trades, we're still going to be making money at the end of the day, because those 2 trades, we're going to make 4% of our account, and the 3 we're going to lose, we're going to lose 3% of our account. At the end of the day, we're going to make plus 1% of our account. Plus 1% on $400,000 is $4,000. So I'm still going to end the day. I'm still going to end the day with $4,000 in profit. Can you guys see this? Can you guys already start feeling the feel? Can you guys already start having the feel of a profitable Forex trader? That's the mentality. That's the psychology. So that's that. We're going to stop here for today. We're going to stop these 5 trades for today. I'll only come back and add more trades if I have a buffer on the account. If I don't have the buffer on the account, then I'll only continue tomorrow on the account. It's as easy as that. All right. Am I lacking behind a little bit? Let me just go here so that I can see. Okay, I think everything is good. So that is that, guys. That is that. Those are our 4 trades. You can see they are all doing very well. We're just down with even minus less than 1% of our account, and we are hoping to end the day positive. So make sure you're following me on Instagram so that I'll be able to keep you guys posted on the life cycle of these trades, on the outcomes of all of these trades. So I'll keep you guys posted on Instagram. Let me just make sure I take a screenshot of these trades so that I can share with you guys on Instagram where we were standing, and I'll be able to update you guys on how the trades are unfolding. Let me take a screenshot of it. Okay, that's it. I'm just going to save it. Voila, they are all safe. All right. So question and answers, and then we're going to round up and call this a day. Any question, guys? Any question? Any question? Any question? So meanwhile, I'm waiting for your question and answers. We currently have one big how should I call it? One big opportunity which has been open for the public is, for the years, we've also been working on opening a hedge fund, all right? On opening a hedge fund for big investors. This is for big investors, all right? So if you know someone, maybe your uncle, your sister, your mom, your dad, or yourself, that you're someone that you're interested in investing, you're interested in seeing your capital grow, because in the pro firm we've just launched, which is licensed and regulated under the UAE law, that pro firm, our target is almost about 10% investment and capital, 10% capital gain per month. 10% capital gain, that's our target capital, our target profit for any account, meaning you are rest assured that you have a 10% on any invested amount you invest on our hedge fund every month. So if you want to know more about the hedge fund, just go to, just click the link tree on my bio. The link tree is going to be on my bio, on my Instagram bio, on my TikTok bio, any of my social media links. Just click the link tree on my bio, and you'll be able to read more about the hedge fund. All right. Remember, I said this is for the big dogs. This is for the big guys in the game, because the minimum capital to invest on our hedge fund is $15,000. It's a regulated, licensed, and authorized hedge fund under the UAE law. All right. So I want you guys to check on that. I want you guys to be able to check on that. So we have a lot of services for you guys. You can check on the prop firm. You can check on the hedge fund. You can check my recommended brokers. And if you want me to mentor you one-on-one, check out Godlove University. All the links are on the video description. All the links. Check out Godlove University, where I'm going to be able to mentor you one-on-one, A to Z, on how to trade the Forex market. And I just showed you guys a 400K prop firm account. If you want to trade with the same 400K, or trade with the prop firm that you can trade up to 600,000, then check out Lionheart funding program. You also see the link on the video description. You can see this, a code that has been passing on your screen, which is the coupon code for Petrex Pro. You guys have always asked that you want a discount code for Petrex Pro. So use the code on your screen, LIVE30, and you're going to be able to get a 30% off discount on Petrex Pro, which has been rated as the most viral and the most profitable Forex robot 3 years in a row. All right, guys, please don't forget this opportunity to pass you, particularly the one for the hedge fund. We already have potential investments or potential investors, big potential investments. I keep saying investments, right? We already have big potential investors who have already taken advantage of this opportunity. And don't let this slide. Even if you're not the one, you must know someone in your circle. You can be able to tell them this big opportunity. All right. Have your funds invested in a platform that can have you up to 10% gain per month, guaranteed gains every month. All right. So please don't let this slide. Don't let this slide. Spread the news. Tell someone to tell someone to tell someone. Even if you're not the one, even if you don't have $15,000 or $50,000 to invest, you can still tell someone. All right. As a hedge fund only makes money when their clients make money. It's as easy as that. So it's a win-win. It's a win-win scenario. I see we have a couple of more questions on the comment section. Let's see. Okay, I think some people, they want to just see. Let me just take a second to show you guys just the same form. We'll just go on the form let's talk on the hedge fund. Let's just go on the intake page so that you guys can just have an idea of how the whole hedge fund runs, right? So let me just go here and I'm going to share you guys this page. So the thing is, every day we launch a new form. So we launch a new form for intakes every day. And for today alone, we've already gotten 2 big investors that have already filled the form. So the form for today is already out. Let me share my screen so that you guys can have a look. Okay, I hope you guys can see my screen clearly. Let me know if you guys can see my screen. So like I said, every day we have a new form for the intake, or every day the hedge fund is having a new intake page for new potential investors. And for today alone, you can see we already have 2 investors who have already filled the form. All right. And you need to know Lionheart is a conglomerate. Lionheart funding program is a prop firm under Lionheart. You need to understand that. And then we also have this one, Lionheart program FCLSC. So that's the hedge fund branch, the hedge fund branch of Lionheart Group. All right, the hedge fund branch of Lionheart Group is known as Lionheart Program or FCLLC, Limited Liability Company. So this is totally different from Lionheart Funding Program. So you can see it just says View on Trust powered by performance. And then you can see license hedge fund. That's our license number right there. You can see the license number is public. There's nothing to hide. So they say welcome to our official investors onboarding form for Lionheart Funding Program. Not funding for Lionheart Program FCLSC, right? Like I said, this is different from Lionheart Funding Program. A fully licensed and regulated portfolio management and investment firm based in Dubai, based in UAE. That's the license number. You can go and check it up yourself and you'll be able to confirm. It's licensed under Ras Al Khaimah Economic Zone Authority. So Rakesh, you can always go and check this. Go to rakesh.com, go to their website, and you'll be able to verify the license number. Authorized. It took us years for them to be able to authorize our license number to open or to offer financial advice or to manage funds or to operate as a hedge fund. Through the form, you are going to onboard, or you say through this form, we're onboarding a select number of private investors to participate in our exclusive hedge fund and investment program. We are authorized to manage investment portfolios and trade Forex, commodities, indices, and other financial instruments in global financial markets. So we've been authorized to do that. Investors enjoy a target fixed 10% monthly return under a secured contractual. So there's a contract with feed arrangement. Minimum investment is $15,000. All right. Important. This form intends only for serious investors only who meet the minimum capital requirement and are ready to proceed. Please fill the form. Blah, blah, blah. So the form is simple. You just fill the form. So country of residence, all of that. You accept the terms. And boom, you are ready. Just for today alone, 2 potential big investors have already filled the form. and you can already guess how much these investors are investing. People are taking Forex trading very seriously out there. And these investors, let's just say they invested, let's just say $20,000. It means by the end of May, they will already be receiving $2,000 every month, $2,000 every month under our hedge fund. All right. I was trained by a hedge fund, so I know how to run one by myself, or I know how to affiliate with one that is going to do very, very well. So I wanted to share this with you guys. If you know anyone who is interested, or you're interested yourself, you can just always go on the link tree on my bio, either on my Instagram or my TikTok. It's also going to be on the video description of my YouTube videos very soon. And you can fill the form, and my team will be able to get in contact with you. Okay. Oh, let's see what we still have to touch here. What we still have to touch here to be able to round up. And then again, I think some of you guys, like I said, talking about the hedge fund, there's nothing to hide. Everything is public. We are licensed and regulated. So I'm also going to just show you guys a copy of the license, just so you guys can have an idea how it looks. And you guys can always go and verify. All right, the website is right there. UAE, go under UAE Rake's website. You're going to confirm the license up there and running. Okay, I'm just going to put this. I hope it's going to open here. Voila. So this is our license. I'm waiting for it to load so that I can show you guys. Good. So I'm going to share my screen one last time just to show you guys the license. Okay. So this is our license right here. This is the authorized license for the hedge fund. All right. This is the authorized license for the hedge fund. It's right there. You can check. Everything is right. This document is electronic issued by blah, blah, blah. To check the document, go to the website. That's the website, www.rac.force.com.au. You go there, you can verify our license number. That's our license number right there to operate as a hedge fund, right? Free zone, that's the name, Lionheart Program, FCLSC, Lionheart Program. Then that's our address, United Arab Emirates. That's our address. So that's why for now, even for now, I'm commuting. I'm operating between two different countries. I'm commuting between South Africa and United Arab Emirates. So UAE people, you'll be expected to be seeing me most often in UAE, all right? Because I'm living in both countries as of now, as we are operating in both countries. You can see that's our activity that has been authorized. Investment consultancy, that's a prop firm, investment consultancy, cost control and risk management, all are situated to what? To a prop firm. That's the manager right there, which is me as a manager, and then we also have partners worldwide. So this is a big opportunity I wanted to share with you guys, so that selected individuals that are able to enroll early will be able to take advantage of this. We already have systems, we already have algorithms that will be able to ensure and safeguard your funds to maximize profits at the end of every month. So any question about this will be welcome. And if there's no question, we're going to look into coming back again, hopefully next week, to see what we have on our plate. Okay, thank you guys so much and enjoy your day.